Hi, this is Maciej, and in today's video I want to share with you my idea on how to create a feeder for the cats that's gonna be bulletproof for ants. For the past 2 weeks I have a cat that comes to my house and I feed him, and I notice that I have a problem with the ants, because this is what I do. I put the cat food over here, put a little water over here so the ants can come, but as you can see I still have ants. So I saw something on YouTube and I wanted to share with you this idea. Basically what I'm gonna do is I have a little bottle, I cut side of it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang that feeder on a piece of rope just like this, and then I'm just going to put food inside of it. So now I have a cat food inside of the bottle but above the ground so ants can get to it. And I also have a couple of frogs that during the night I've seen them jumping inside of the bowl. I don't know what they like about it, but they sit inside of the bowl, so they're not gonna be able to do that anymore, and my cat can come and easily eat his food, and there's gonna be no ants or frogs jumping inside of that food to eat my cat food. I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.